Loss is common. Loss is everywhere. It's just a guaranteed thing about life. It is true that we are different now and forever when we lose a person that we love.
Sheila is asking us to really move forward with our whole selves and how we respond to our grief.
Because we have to make art out of what happens to us, and we don't get to pick what that is.
She brought it all together tonight.
This was deeply rich and moving. I felt free to talk about grief and to enter into the art of grieving.
In 1997, 16.5 thousand people, mostly gay men, died of AIDS, and my son was one of them. In 2004, 41,000 people, most of them women, died of breast cancer, and our daughter was one of them.
It was a wonderful, fearless look at something that we often avoid.
We have lost something, and it turns out what we have lost is something that's very important to our healing. I don't know who your ancestors, what country, all that, but I would be willing to bet you that they, at one time, they came together and they sang and they danced and they told stories. And that's how they kept themselves as a community, and that's how they supported one another through really tough stuff, through grief. How many people here would like to sing? And how about dancing? How many would like to dance? Oh, look at the dancers. And how about the storytellers? So when we're looking at tools to help us, get help and give it. Because emotional regulation really means I'm having my feelings instead of them having me. What is the gift of grief? I mean, it's compassion, it's connection. So I am trying to round up some people who are willing to look at grief in a different way, who are willing to say, it's an art, and I can get good at it. The good news for me is that we can teach this and we can practice it.
I found it so moving.
The suffering doesn't have to last.
Wow.
Sheila is her best example because she has so much positive energy.
I'm glad I'm here. I'm glad there's a conversation and that people want to be part of it.